Before the video starts, make sure to comment down below if you guys picked up anything from the Week 8 Supreme drop. So you already know what I picked up from the title of the video, but I'm really interested to see what you guys picked up. And also, please leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed to it already. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get right into the video. All right, so to start the video off, I'm just gonna show you guys the stickers I got. Starting off, red box logo, everybody gets one of these. And then I also got these two stickers here, so I don't know what the backstory is behind any of these because I don't think anything released related to these in the drop, but if something did, please comment down below. I just don't know what these are from. So just give you a look at these. I don't really know what they are, but just cool to add to the collection. So that's it for the stickers. So now let's get right into the review. So when you get your Supreme Lantern, it comes in two pieces. The first one's this little wire thing, which you'll see what this is for later in the video, but it comes all folded up, and what you want to do is you want to make it look like this, so you'll want to unfold it. And then you'll also get the lantern, which comes all folded up like this. And before you can use this, you have to do a little bit of assembly, so it's not too hard. I'll show you how to do it in the video, and then I'll show you what it looks like all complete. So make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to assemble this. So what you want to do is you want to take the wire, make sure it's all unfolded like this, and how to set it up. So on the bottom of the lantern, there's like this little ring area from the bottom piece right here. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to line this up with the wire. So what you want to do is you'll just want to line up these two pieces so that way it stays in place. So here's what it looks like after you do this. As you can see, it's in there, set in, and the two corners on the wire, make sure it stays in place on the bottom. So what you'll want to do after this is just raise the red part up over the wire, and I'll show you that after I've done that. So you'll want to raise it up so that way just this part of the wire is just hanging out, and I'll show you what to do after that. So here's what it looks like all unfolded. So on the top, as you can see, there's these two little loops on it, and then what you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure these pieces go inside of them. So I'm going to do that right now and then show you what it looks like. All right, so now I've done that. As you can see, both of like the pointy things on the wire are through these loops, so that way it just stays still. So after that, the wire just helps it hold its shape. So it can't really stand by itself. You have to hang it up just because, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the wire's like set up on one side of it, so it's like lopsided, so it just like falls like this. So just starting off with the review, the bottom of it has these metal caps on it, and then this part has a hole, which I'm assuming is where you can put a light or something, or you can shine a light through here, I guess. And there's also a little handle up top just so you can hang it. And then it says Supreme on both sides, and it's in this red material that feels like what a tent's made out of, or a windbreaker. So I think that's nylon, but I could be wrong. So overall, pretty simple accessory, but I think this is definitely one of the best accessories of the season. I'm super happy I got this. This will make a nice display piece. This item really wasn't too hard to get just because the phones dropped the same day. So if the phones didn't drop the same day, I think this would have been a lot harder to get, just because I think this has a pretty decent amount of hype, and I think it's really cool, but the phones just had more hype, so it was easier to get. So I think this is really cool. I don't really have a way to light it, so I can't really show you guys what it looks like lit, but I've seen pictures and it looks really cool. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to get a light for this so I can hang it in my room and have it lit up. I think that'd be really cool. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.